Hi, my name is Akash Krishna. I am studying in ninth class. I am studying in ninth class. School is Swarnanjali Techno High School. I am telling about traveling. Traveling is the most dangerous to us. The driver was drunk and driver means accidents will be happen, and the passengers will die and other also die, and there is so much traffic problems will be happen, and that is harmful to us, and as it is uses also there. We can go other place by walk means so much problems will be there, time will be happen. We can go in vehicles means we can reach to that place fast, and our works was speedily complete, but some peoples not have vehicles. They were drunk and going at roads and sleeping at roads, then the traffic problems, and like this so many ways the traffic problems we are facing. And newly the metro rail was came, this problem only so much facing means this is another problem. And in all vehicles the Tata Motors was the best vehicle, and that vehicles were smoothly go. With that smooth vehicles we can decrease some problems. So finally say that the safety travels was first. Bye.